Positive family, mag-ingay! Keep that energy rolling. Good evening, everyone, and welcome to the beautiful Mount Malarayat Golf and Country Club here in the Kaping Barako, capital of the Philippines, Lipa City, Batangas. Well, anyway, before I introduce myself, let me just greet all of you that you all look amazing. With that, palakpakan niyo po ang bawat isa sa inyo. Well, anyway, folks, I will be your hangout host and buddy for tonight, your host, Russell Hernandez Ramirez. And keep that energy high ngayong hangout night activity natin dahil marami kaming sorpresa at prepare sa inyong lahat. Positive family, are you ready? Parang mahina. Ang kasunod pa naman ito, kainan. Ready na ba kayong kumain? Ready? Everyone, let's kick off the fun with our very first game, the Family Feud. Kayo mag-uwi ng limpak-limpak ngayong gabi. Without further ado, let's give our wheel of names rolling. Current lines. Ayan, sir. Teka lang, gusto ko yung ganong energy. Nagpupusa. Lalapitan ka ng maraming biyaya. Sino ang gusto mong kasama? Kamay sa dibdib. Team Captain, brace yourself whenever you're ready. Just push the red button. Question, kapag sinabi mo sa iyong ka-office mate na magbabakasyon ako, ano kaya ang susunod nilang itatanong sa'yo? In 3, 2, 1, go! Mabilis. Ayan, sir.
Pasalubong.
Pasalubong! Alright, tignan natin. Meron bang pasalubong sa scoreboard according to our survey? Sir, Steel. Steel?
Sino? Saan?
Saan? Scoreboard! Top answer, 48! Ilang araw? Survey says, hanggang kailan? Wala ka yung tubig na to. Pressure ha, top 2 answer.
Sinong kasama mo?
Sinong kasama mo? Survey says, oy, 16! Good luck! Good luck sa'yo, good luck!
Nagpaalam ka ba?
Nagpaalam ka ba?